Hello once again, everybody. I'm back with me on my boat. Second video. I want to continue. I still see that bit of land over there. So, as we go. Oh my god. Woo! I know it's horrible. I have to keep on shut. So horrible. It's so annoying. It's just annoying, you know? Having to always hold on short. Never getting to be really far from that. Well, my computer's not made for gaming, so that's how it is. Oh. That's one dangerous thing about docking at night. Zombies and creepers and skeletons. Oh god. This is not how you want to spend your Minecraft first night. You usually always have like a great place to spawn, but this isn't a great place for islands. Unless there's skeletons start shooting at me. Maybe there's some mountains around here that I can get. Hey, skeleton. Can I see your bow? Can I see your bow? Oh, you don't want to show me? Oh. Well, that's a shame. It's a shame, it's a shame. Oh. More. Oh. Hello, little sheep. How's it go? Oh, gosh. Dang it. Oh, I'm in a bay. I'm in a bay thingy. That I really don't want to be in, because I'm so trapped. I'm just desperately trying to find the mountain. Mountain. Where are you, friend? Mountains. I might have to brave all the mobs tonight. Punch, 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 punch. Fist of Fury. How did I get those? Oh my. Maybe not. Maybe not Fist of Fury, because that's all the creepers right there. Hello, zombie. That's gonna be boring. Those going around in a circle. Trying to find mountains. I hate that noise in the background, that noise. It's annoying. It's annoying. Sometimes I watch my own videos and it's like, it's really annoying. I'm desperately trying to fix that. Hey skeleton, are you gonna show me your bow? Oh. Pigs over there. Oh gosh, they're still after me. Go away. I don't like you. Go away. I swear, if this is gonna be one giant bag, I'm gonna get mad. Oh, yep. There it is. For ya. Oh well, I'm just gonna brave the night. Huh? Little zombie. Aww, little zombie. Away! Oh, killed him. Oh, there's more. God. I can't imagine if that's a mountain or what. A little cave right there. Yeah, I just want some mountains, and I think I found it, but it's just nighttime. Okay, what? I did upgrade. Oh, what's over here? That looks interesting. Big floaty thing. Big old floaty, cool looking thingy. Mountains! Woo-hoo! My quest is not failed. My quest is not. Oh, sweet. Hey cows, how's it going? Oh, that just looks plain wrong. Oh my. And everybody's gonna be like, you're the sick one. Okay, but just look at that. What does that remind you of? Oh well. Alright, now that I've finally found mountains, I usually have to find like a nice little peak or a valley or something that I like living in. I'm kind of picky about where I live. Oh, big. Oh, Penis Mountain. Alright. Little watery cave. Ooh! That would be a hard time getting down though. Let's try it. Okay, what do we have to lose? Everything! Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Good point there. So, how do I get up there? Oh, I want to go up there somehow. There's even a hole inside the mountain. Even though I don't have a pickaxe. I'll mine it with my fist. Fist of Fury. Fist of Fury renewed. Yes. Okay. I think we finally found a nice place. This is dangerous. I'm on the side of a mountain here, and I'm just like la 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 la. Seems like I'm totally oblivious to the fact that I could just fall off and totally die and get all mad. Ah! I'm using a laptop and I have two different mouses, so my hand sometimes goes with the other mouse and it causes it to flip out. And I'm low on food. Wow. This is a heck lot of coal there. Oh my god! Oh, I didn't have my hand on it. Compose yourself. Coal miner. Is that stuck? Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh god! I don't have anything to defend myself and I have real food, okay? Talk about real common rules. It's going into my cave! How dare he! You accursed skeleton! He's coming! You better burn. I hope you burn. I hope you burn to death. Ooh, sweet food. Oh, I'm poisoning our pen. Rotten apples. Oh, playtime. Look at that. Stupid. You can see me. My gosh. I'm gonna get rid of this skeleton. I just heard a weird noise outside. Sound like a whale. But I don't live anywhere near ocean, number one. I don't know how whales can go on land. So. Alright, wooden sword. You and me will take down that skeleton. Charge! Charge! I'm okay. Okay. Alright, now. Alright. Now. Say goodbye. Be back tomorrow.